Hello and welcome to our new Views by Pipeline. So I don't know if you've heard, but we've just introduced Views, which is the fantastic way that you can look at 8 reports at one time. Check out my previous video to learn about everything that's new with Views and how to use it. But in my last video, I alluded to building your own reports, and I didn't show that last time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a new report and add reports that you've built to your views. So let's start with the Reports tab. So this isn't a new feature, but something you can do in pipeline reporting is you can bring in filters from list views. What is new about this version of reporting is now these list views and these reports are separate. So say I bring in a list view filter into a report, and then I go and I change those list views. It's not going to affect my report, which previously it might have. So this is really useful when I want to take a list view and I want to use it, but I want to do something different with reporting and do something different with list views, and I want them to live independent of each other. As an example for us today, I have a list view called Deals in Trouble. So for those with us today that aren't really familiar with Pipeline or what a list view is, let me show you real quick. Pipeline categorizes our data in 3 ways: companies, deals, and people. We're on the Deals tab. This is a list view. It looks and it operates like Excel. It's really easy to use. You can drag and drop. You can add, remove columns if you want to. When you configure a new view, you can save it as a new list view. So I have a list view saved called Deals in Trouble. And so I filtered all of my statuses that are red. So these are deals that need attention. And the really cool thing about list views is this dynamically updates. So if from one day to the next, the status changes to yellow, that deal's gonna drop off my list because it's not red anymore. So I have this list view called Deals in Trouble. Okay, so let's jump back to reports. We're gonna add a report, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we can use this. So here's my blank canvas, new report. Filters. Import filters. This is importing a list view filter. Deals in Trouble. And it automatically imports this. Apply filters. So now I have this data here. And I've imported these data parameters, but maybe they don't show up on this report and give me meaningful data right away. So what I have to do is come over here and play with this left-hand pane and configure this report in a way that provides more meaning for me and puts my data in context. So number one, this is showing a line graph. I don't want a line graph because a line graph shows change over time. Let's change this to a bar chart. And let's group by updated, and let's look at date range. I just want to look at information for this month. So those are all my deals in trouble. It's grouped by day. Let's group it by month. So for the month of August, these are the deals that I have in trouble. And you'll see on the vertical axis, summarized by deal amount. So if I wanted to, I could do deal count. So I have 44 deals in trouble, roughly $1.1 million, or have the average value of each deal. So this doesn't really provide meaning. So let's dig in a little bit more. Maybe I want to see the deals in trouble by my owner, by the deal owner, which is my sales team. So I can break down the group. Let's break down by owner. Now I have some insights. So this is my sales team down here. These are all my deal owners, and I can see who has the most deals that are in trouble. Maybe they need support, or maybe their workflow isn't working. Maybe they need different deals, but either way, this gives me insights into something that I can address with them. So if I hover over the graph here, I can get more information. So very clearly, George Strait and Tony are in a little bit of a pickle. Maybe I need to reach out to them this week and see if they need any additional help from me or my sales leadership. So now that I've built this report, we can save it so that we don't have to do this next time. Save as new report, and I'm going to label it Deals in Trouble by Owner. Save. And if I really wanted to now, I can go back to my views and I can add this report to my view. Deals in Trouble by Owner. And so this will get added at the bottom, and if I wanted to, I could move it up, I can make it bigger, and I can choose whatever view that I want. If you don't have a Pipeline account, you can try it free for 14 days, and as always, reach out to us if you need any help.